Hello, hello, my friends. So today is entirely different topic. Uh, in my previous this videos, you might have seen. I was doing something like secret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of uh, this of this success of home-based business. Now today I am going to tell you the actual secret. That secret is a book, you can say, and that book I am reading that book, and they see this type of all these things are coming in our Facebook groups, and my leader is putting daily one challenge. We are accepting the challenge, and we are working on that. In fact, our Facebook group is really rocking, and it's really amazing that every day we are getting some new exciting things. That is life. So now I am going to tell you about the book Secret. In that book, the author is Rhonda Byron, and the author has told a lot of great things, which I think it's it's like an epic. There are two, he is referring two authors in that one. One is Bob Proctor and another is John Assaraf. Bob Proctor is saying about the secret. What is that secret? He is giving the result of secret. What type of results you can achieve if you follow that secret. And to tell you the fact that Bob Proctor is a philosopher, author and personal coach. He is a very famous, and he says about this secret that you can achieve health, wealth and happiness, anything you want, you can achieve by following this secret. Similarly, another author is John Assaraf. Everybody knows about John Assaraf. You know who was that fellow? He was a great entrepreneur, and also he was knowing the secret formula of money making. He has told whatever you want can be achieved. It may be very big, doesn't matter. By which? By this secret. Now the first chapter says about the secret revealed. That is the name of the first chapter. And in this first chapter, the author is describing a lot of things like where it can be applied, where it has been applied, those things like that. So he says that it can be applied. Somebody asked whether it can be applied in India, it can be applied in Australia. He says yes, it can be applied anywhere on this planet. It can be applied in India, Australia, New Zealand, USA, Pakistan, Japan. Go anywhere on this planet, whether you are on North Pole or you are in South Pole, anywhere it can be applied, this secret. And also in the past very popular authors and poets, they have applied this one. Subconsciously, consciously they have applied. And to name William Blake, William Shakespeare, then Robert Browning, all those authors, they have applied it. And even in religions also, you see, name the religion, any religion, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, everywhere this secret has been applied successfully. And any civilization also you can see, whether it was Mohenjo-daro, Babylonians, Egyptians, any civilization you just name it and they have applied. Subconsciously, consciously they have applied it successfully. And then see what I mean, that now you must be curious to know what is this secret. So my friend, this secret, exactly what is this secret, I am going to tell you tomorrow. But what I want, that if you have not read this book, please collect the book and read it. This is very, very important, and it is a must for any networker. So my friend, I think now you are slowly you are able to understand that whatever I am telling you in the video is really going to make a lot of changes in a networker's life. So why don't you associate with us? Why don't you join us? And you will find a lot of more exciting things. So that's all for today, my friend. Join us, hit the button, join button, and come with us. I am waiting for you on this side. Thank you very much. Bye bye.